The 2023 Renault Alaskan could receive a refresh. At this point, the officials are still quiet, but experts suggest that we could see some styling revisions. Of course, the biggest changes will be made at the front, where we could see revisions in areas like headlights, grille, etc. The rest of the vehicle should keep pretty much the same styling. Interior. The 2023 Renault Alaskan will continue in a double cab layout as the only body style on offer. The amount of space is pretty good and both rows accommodate adults pretty easily. We also like the front seats, which are massive and supportive. The visibility is good in all directions, while we also like the ergonomics. Engines. When it comes to the powertrain, we do not expect to see changes. The 2023 Renault Alaskan will continue with a familiar 2.3-liter turbo diesel, which comes in two output versions. Base models are good for about 160 horsepower and 403 Nm of torque, and that version of the engine is available only with a 6-speed manual gearbox. (2023) Renault Alaskan Release Date and Price. We expect that the 2023 Renault Alaskan will arrive by the end of this year. The UK version will go around €25,000, while the model for European market should feature starting price of around €30,000. Key competitors are models like Isuzu D-Max, Mitsubishi L200, Ford Ranger, etc.